Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockholm Supply here with Anderson. Anderson was asking me this morning about cleaning off cast iron bandsaw tables because his daddy was not very smart and he left a wet sawdust all over the table. Now it's all rusty. So me and Anderson are going to show you guys what I like to do to clean these off. So we got Sandflex Blocks, 3 different grits. We got coarse. That's if you have like a really thick, scaly rust on the table. We got medium and fine. So for the amount of corrosion I got on this particular bandsaw table, I can just probably, I'll stick with the finest grit here and we can make use of that. So this will slide right out of this cardboard here somehow. There we go. So what this is, it's kind of an interesting product. It's rubber with grit actually impregnated inside of it. It's 3/4 of an inch wide, so it's designed that you can fit into the miter gauge really easily too. So the way it works, you just slide it along your table here. So it's going to remove that corrosion really easy, just like that, and give it a nice polished look here. A little bit of work there. If you find the rust is a little bit thick, sometimes it's nice to have the 3 different options of grits. So we can get right down into that that miter gauge here, and we can clean that out. Now they make it a little over 3/4, I should mention. So the first time you use it, you'll actually peel a little bit off the outside. But that'll get right down in that miter gauge. And then again, go over here to clean it off. So it's called a Sandflex Block. It's a Klingspor product. They're kind of interesting. They work really well. They don't take too much effort to clean the tables. Just like that. So yeah, pretty common question. Pretty simple answer. This is what I like to use. Klingspor Sandflex Blocks. So yeah, if anybody else has any questions, let me know. And send me an email at info@stockholmsupply.com or comment on this video. Thanks for watching.